Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the ComfyGo Phoenix. Now this is a really lightweight folding power wheelchair. It's a carbon fiber frame, so once the batteries are removed it weighs 27 pounds. It can support up to 285 pounds of weight, and it has the option of getting a second battery, and when you do that the battery range is up to 25 miles on a single charge. There's also different textile colors you can choose from when ordering it. I think there's 6 currently, but sometimes that changes with ComfyGo, but you can kind of customize the chair to, your favorite color or your favorite team color if you like the specific team. So let's get into it. And usually it's going to come with these straps. I'm going to cut these, and on the box you can see there's these QR codes, which I think is really nice. You can scan to register your warranty easily, and here's another QR code where you can get the user manual, and there's assembly videos there. So we'll cut this open. Now definitely be careful when you're cutting this open so you don't cut down into the product. Now you'll notice there's a styrofoam top here, and we have this box. So in this box, I believe this is going to be the charger. So this actually has a remote control. A lot of the IQ series, so the 7000, 8000, 9000 has an attendant remote. So does the Phoenix, which is really cool. Here's the joystick. And because this is so lightweight, there's different ways of opening this box. Now, if you're taking advantage of the 7-day free trial, I would advise not to shred up the box just in case you want to send it back for whatever reason. So if you open it up like this, and you're capable of lifting 27 pounds, you can just lift it up straight like this. Or another option would be to set it on its side. I think this is probably easier for most people. And then you can just pull it out like this. So in here, I think these are the foot plates. Yeah, so there's one foot plate. That's going to be the other one here too. I'm going to set these off to the side. You got your user manual. And I think this is going to be your charger. Yeah, so it even says the charger right there. This is the textile cushion. So this is like a calf pad, and I'm sorry, this isn't the textile cushion. So this is the standard cushion. This will come standard with this. You got the seat and then the back of the seat, but you can get the textiles I was referring to, and we'll show them on the screen what they look like.
Quick announcement, we are giving away a free mobility scooter. We do this monthly. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on any video. Once you've done those 2 things, you'll automatically be entered into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. We do announce the winner on our YouTube channel and all of our social media. So if you'd like to be entered into that drawing, just do those 2 things. Now back to the video.
All right, so I've removed the box and the packaging, so it's not in the screen anymore. And there was some styrofoam that's on the that protects the armrest and on the leg rest and on the back here on these handlebars. So I've removed those. So now just a matter of unfolding this. So to unfold this, you just push down from here and it extends out. And then the handlebars in the back, you can see there's 2 knobs that stick out, and you just lift them up and they'll snap into place. They snap right into these holes and you'll hear it. Now it's completely unfolded. So here are the cushions, and again, these are the standard cushions. So it has this Velcro here that will allow you to secure it to the seat. And the seat back, they're the same exact size, so you can put it either way, whether this one's on the seat or the seat back. So again, this is the standard cushion, but I think that the textile cushions are really nice. You can see it in the 7,000 or the 8,000 or 9,000 videos we have, but they have more, they just have a more of a flair to them, and they're easier to clean. They're not this mesh material, so if you were to spill something on those, it's easy to wipe off. So from here, the next thing I'm gonna do is attach the joystick. Super easy to attach, whether it's on the right side or left side. So there's a little knob right here. I have to unscrew this in order to fit it in here. And you can extend it out as far in as you'd like. And then you just tighten it into place. And then as far as connecting the joystick, you can see this is the female part and here's the male part. So you just have to line them up and then you just screw it in. The batteries are already in the chair. So this one came with the dual batteries. So this one would have the 25-mile battery range. Put the leg rest in, or the footrest, I should say. So you have to remove these little knobs. So again, I'm gonna pull this little protectant cover off and then slide this in so the hole lines up with this hole. And then use this clip to lock it right into place. So now we got the foot plates in. They do flip up. And I think it should turn on now, so let's see. Yeah, so you can see it turns on. Got a nice, sleek digital dash. We've got the horn. You got your speed control. You can reach up to 4 miles per hour. And you have a headlight, which is really cool. It's built into this. So you can see the headlight here. And it also has this flashing light. So that's, you know, kind of like if you're in a dark street and you want to make sure you were seen at night, you could do that when you're riding down the road. But you do have this headlight to ride at night. Charging port is located right here. So you can charge it there, or you can charge it directly on the battery. So to remove the battery, it's the same way on both sides. You just pull this tab up and it comes right out like this. And you can also charge it this way. So if you wanted to leave your chair in your car or leave it in your garage, you can just bring the battery pack in and charge it this way instead. And I like this too. Some of the batteries that go on the side of power wheelchairs that I've seen, they don't have this little area right here to put it in. So you can put it in here and it's not gonna fall off, and you just simply put it in that way. This tests your battery life. So you can just tap that. Looks like we're at 73%. So usually when you receive the power wheelchair, it's going to not be fully charged when you get it, but it's going to be about 3/4 of the way charged typically. The front caster wheels, these are solid tires. The rear are air-filled tires. Just something to keep in mind. You can purchase a pump from ComfyGo as an accessory. It's a cheap pump, easy to pump this up. You could also use just like a bicycle pump if you wanted to. And then on the back, these are your drive wheels. So if I were to put both of these into manual or neutral, you can push the chair like a manual wheelchair. Some people, if they're in a user that uses this, if they wanted to kind of get up and walk around, they could push it around from the back, sort of like a walker, just to kind of get up on their feet. And then once they're tired, they can put them back into drive. And now you can operate the chair. But you can see the electromagnetic brakes are now engaged. You can't push the chair because it's now in drive mode. So I'll power this back on. So when the joystick is powered on, and I put these in manual, just wanted to show you this. You can hear it beeping. And this is a really common thing that we get phone calls about. They'll say, why is my chair beeping? I don't know why it's making that noise. Usually 9 times out of 10, it's because you have it in freewheel mode. So you have to put both of these back engaged. Sometimes on mobility scooters or power wheelchairs, it's just one switch, but this one has 2 motors. These are 2 250 watt motors, so it's 500 watts of power, which is really nice for a chair this size. So now if I turn it on and I have it in drive, it's not gonna beep, and now you can operate the chair. So another really cool thing that I just learned about this chair is it's gonna draw power from one battery. So there's a little switch right here. So once this battery is depleted, you can hit the switch to go on this side. So now it's on 1. Now it's going to draw a battery from this power. And I think that's a really nice feature. So if you buy the 2 batteries right off the bat, once one of them's depleted, you can switch the other one easily. Also comes with a seat belt. Comes standard. It's a pretty basic seat belt. And another really cool feature I like is the armrests. When they flip up, a lot of them will flip up like this, and you can see it's still kind of in the way, but they actually flip all the way back like this. So that way it's easy to transfer in and out of the seat, and it's not in the way. So they're completely out of the way. So I really like that feature too. As far as storage, you do have a little storage pouch here on the back, but that's all the storage you're gonna get on this chair. With this chair, we do send a free arm bag with it, so it's going to ship separate from the unit. So that will come on, and something you can put on the armrest to give you some more storage. Actually, let me show you how to fold it before I show the remote. So in order to fold it, I would recommend taking off these cushions first. You can also it's easy to remove the joystick. You might want to do that if you're traveling with an airline. So an airline is going to require you to remove the batteries and bring them on with you. I would also remove the joystick as well, and it's easy to remove. I showed you how to attach it, so you just unscrew this and pull it right off. It's easy to remove the joystick. So in order to fold, you just press these buttons right here, fold the seat back down, and then there's 2 handles right here that you would want to lift up. And speaking of another thing you should remove is probably the foot plates. I would probably take these off too and bring these on. So I would bring a carry-on bag to put the foot plates, joystick, and the batteries in. But now this thing weighs, with the batteries, it's going to weigh about 35 pounds. But when you remove the batteries, joystick, foot plates, it's about 27 pounds. So super lightweight. I'll fold it back up. We'll put the seat cushions back on, and we'll show you how this remote works. And there's one last thing I forgot to show about the cushions, which I'll show you right here. This is a little calf pad. You can put it on like this. So when I use the remote, first thing you need to do is turn on the chair. So now it's turned on. Next thing you want to do is power this on. So you have to hold this power button down for about 4 seconds. And you can see it lights up. Now it's paired with the chair. So now I can control the chair. Everything you can do on the joystick, you can do from here. So you can adjust the speed control. And I'll actually show you. So if we show that in the background, you can see I'm adjusting the speed control or adjusting it down. You can even use the horn. And one thing I like about it is a lot of times if a chair, so this comes standard with this remote. So a lot of times if you have a attendant controller, it's usually mounted right to the back, and the caretaker would operate it from the back, right? So by using this, you can kind of have this personal connection. You can talk to the user and stand beside them and talk, and you make eye contact, or you can be in front of them, kind of talk, and you can back up, which I really like that. Or it's also good for like if you're someone that has a medical condition where it's hard for you to extend your arm out to use the joystick, you can actually operate it yourself. So you can just kind of hold it in your lap like this and just operate it this way. So really nice. A lot of these ComfyGo chairs are coming with the remote. I actually didn't realize it came with the Phoenix, but that's really nice. So really great power wheelchair, super lightweight, one of the lightest in the industry, 100% carbon fiber frame. It's got a really sleek design to it, and airline approved, 285 pounds. You get up to 25 miles on a single charge. And you can also try this for 7 days with our 7-day free trial. The way that works is you would have to purchase the chair like you normally would. And then once you receive it, you have 7 days to try it. You must try it indoors only and keep all of your packaging. And if for some reason you felt like this wasn't a good fit for you, no problem, just give us a call. We'll send you a prepaid return label to send it back, issue a full refund once it's received and in great condition. you have any questions, give us a call. We're open every single day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.